All right, Mr. Ferguson. How are you feeling? You know what? How are you doing?
I'm good. This feels like most successes that you would have gotten over the years. Each one of them feel different, and this one feels like a really deep one because the work that we put in, the mammoth task that we had. I think at no point in time though we lost belief. Many never believed in us, but we believe in ourselves. The owners backed us, and I think in the end, we really pull it off.
Certainly. You have won a numerous amount of trophies in recent time. You are one who is known for the winning mentality. Something a lot would say that Mount Pleasant falls short on. Would you say that that's despite, even with all the tactics that you have brought there, would you say that that's one of the elements that you have brought to this set of players?
To be honest, it's not about me alone. I contributed a lot, but we have a collective team effort. I think we have a very good staff, support staff, technical staff, and I think the environment at Mount Pleasant really give you the opportunity to do well. I think the winning mentality definitely is something that I would have injected a little bit of it, but I think at the end of the day, these boys believe in themselves, and they came out here today, and they really put on a good display.
Last time I spoke to you before the finals, you said MG and me and finals, you know that go. I know that you're feeling overwhelmed at this present moment. See that you're not really into the whole excitement still, but you're excited in your own right. What does this mean now for the Mount Pleasant family and the boss himself and the investment that you have put in? And is this the fruit of their labor and also the labor that you guys put in?
The first part is about the players. So the work that we would have completed, I think they would have put in a lot, so it's for them now to enjoy it. We don't want to really take necessarily their shine. But in terms of the owners, I think at the end of the day, every year they have invested. Every year they get closer and closer to winning. Each time they lose, I think it brought them closer and closer to winning, and we're fortunate to be the ones that actually deliver it.
So a trophy to the cabinet. You guys have found the winning formula. Can we now say that it's a strong possibility that Mount Pleasant should be retaining this title in years, well, within years to come?
I think that's probably a little bit too far-fetched. I think what we want to do now is to really enjoy the moment. I think we have a very good structure. We have a very good system in place, and I think once we can maintain the system that we have in place, I think success will come. The most important one and the most difficult one is normally the first one. I think now that we have gotten the first one out of the way, I think there are many more to come.
All right, and congratulations, you guys have done well, and the work have bear fruit. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you. Feel.